It's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I did these thermal chevron nails with kind of a mandala print and some holographic glitter with glitter ombres. So for this look, I started off with Madame Glam's Perfect Black as a base for the black glitter nail and Perfect Summer's Thermal Gel in the shade 132. So I applied 3 coats of the black polish, and I did 4 of the light peach color just because it's such a sheer color. I wanted to do 4 to get a nice opaque layer, but just keep the layers thin so that the nails don't get too thick. And you can kind of see on the brush that's the cool color, and then as you apply it, it warms up almost instantly. So once that was applied, I cured it and then removed the tacky layer from my middle 2 nails so I could apply Twinkle Tea Hollow is the New Black glitter on my pinky, which I did a full layer of glitter. And I did an ombre on my pointer finger. So I did this in 2 layers. So I just applied this into the tacky layer with the peach color, and I applied Flawless Finish to those 2 glitter nails. And I applied it to the top of the ombre first so I didn't smear the glitter everywhere. And then once that was cured, I applied some more glitter to the base of the pointer nail just to make it more opaque and to get better coverage. Then I applied another layer of top coat to seal it all in. I removed the tacky layer off those 2 nails because they're finished, before taking some liquid latex around my middle 2 nails so I could do some stamping. So I used BP L020 for this little floral half moon image. And then I'm taking BP L006 for this chevron. So I put that on my middle finger. Then I removed the latex and did the cleanup around my nails so it wasn't polished on my skin. And then I took some top coat mixed with the glitter to fill in the little half moon at the base of my ring finger. And then once that was cured, I applied top coat to that nail and to my middle finger. And then I cured it and removed the tacky layer. And then here's the shift. Goes from the peach color to the corally color. You can see the comparison here. And that's it for this week's nail art look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will leave links in the description box if you're interested. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Come back next week for a new tutorial. Bye!